Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your project so you can work with real HDR data. You open Alight Motion, set the timeline to a higher bit depth, and choose a linear color profile. This preserves highlight and shadow detail. Then import high dynamic range footage or RAW frames. You need that extra headroom. Once done, switch your export to 10-bit if the option exists, because it prevents banding. Make sure to keep intermediate previews in full precision, so grading changes behave predictably. Now move into tone mapping and selective grading. This is where you craft HDR. You add curves and split them for highlights, midtones, and shadows. Adjust each band to control perceived brightness. Next, use exposure and contrast to set overall dynamic range, then push selective saturation to preserve color in intense highlights. Apply a highlight roll-off or filmic LUT to avoid harsh clipping. This keeps bright areas pleasing. Once balanced, preview on an HDR-capable display. If possible, finish by exporting with an HDR-capable codec like HEVC and embed PQ or HLG data as required by your target platform. You should test the file on an HDR screen and also check an SDR downmixed preview to ensure compatibility. If you see banding or posterization, increase bit depth, add subtle dither, or reopen the timeline to adjust curve slopes. These steps reduce artifacts. Finally, if colors look off on certain devices, re-export using the alternate HDR format or tweak the color transform settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.